High fog systems are designed for use in crew and passenger accommodation and in enclosed spaces. They propel microscopic-sized water droplets into the fire area, which then absorb energy by cooling air and fire gases. Water spray and drencher systems are often fitted on passenger cruise ships and ferries to extinguish accommodation and vehicle deck fires respectively. Fixed CO2 systems are stored in large cylinders, which must be regularly checked for content. CO2 is used for fighting fires in engine rooms, cargo holds and other enclosed spaces. With foam fixed installations, pipes carry the foam from storage tanks to strategic points around the engine room, or direct to mobile applicators on the deck or in cargo areas. High expansion foam is sometimes used in engine rooms and other large enclosed spaces. Entering an area once it has been deployed could cause disorientation, which can be very dangerous. Dry powder fixed installations are widely used in LPG and LNG ships, as they are especially suitable for fires involving liquefied flammable gases. In the event of a serious fire in an engine room, pump room or cargo hold, where the safety of the vessel is threatened,
Okay, Chief, be sure that everybody is out from the engine room and...
The master will have to make a judgment about the right time to use a fixed installation, especially one, like a CO2 installation, for example, which is considered to be a last chance means of extinguishing a fire.
Chief, Captain, start deploy the CO2.
Yeah, okay.
Using such an installation means the affected area has to be evacuated prior to its use, and will remain unsafe to enter until the fire has been fully extinguished and reignition is no longer likely. So, if an installation of this type is to be used, first evacuate the area. Then close all doors, stop all ventilation and extraction fans, and close all funnel flaps. And take a roll call to make sure everyone on board is accounted for. Once all this has been done, the CO2 or other agent can be introduced into the area. If possible, boundary cool the area to ensure all the heat is dissipated before attempting to ventilate the space. If you don't do this, the fire may spread or reignite. You can find more information about the topics we've covered in the workbook. Next, let's briefly look back at some key points from this programme. Successful firefighting means removing one of 4 elements from the situation. Removing fuel is fuel starvation. Removing heat is cooling. And removing oxygen is smothering. You can also interrupt the chemical reaction without which the fire cannot survive. The basic rules of firefighting are find it,
Fire! 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 Fire!
isolate it,
Fire!
report it, and extinguish it, if it is small enough for one portable extinguisher. Otherwise, escape. Only use a fire extinguisher on a fire in its first stages. Make sure you use the right kind of extinguisher, and don't use one if there is too much smoke. Stand away from the fire and move gradually nearer to it as it's extinguished. Keep an exit at your back in case you need to get out in a hurry. Store fire hoses correctly and drain them after use. Turn hydrants on and off gently to avoid hose damage. In fires, keep low. It will be easier to see and you won't feel the effects of heat, smoke and steam as quickly. In smoke, feel your way ahead with your feet. Feel in front of you with your free arm. And always keep contact with your teammates and with a bulkhead. Work as a team and look after each other. Always follow the rules for effective firefighting. Sound the alarm promptly.
Captain, I discovered a smoke in the main deck.
Give proper information and muster without delay. Know your equipment and always take fire drills seriously. They could save your life. And finally, fixed installations come in many types and sizes. They can prove vital if the safety of the vessel is threatened. Posters are an effective way of reminding seafarers about safe working practices. There's more information about posters in the workbook. This VideoTell programme is the second in a series of 5 on firefighting at sea. Programme 1 deals with fire prevention. Programme 3, the next in the series, with command and control at the incident. Programme 4 with command and control by the master. And Programme 5 with machinery space fires. Further information can be found in the workbook which accompanies this series of programmes.